You've probably heard about automated marketing strategies that bring instant success, help you make money while you sleep, and grow your customer base almost effortlessly. In digital marketing, we often hear promises like these, and they're often unrealistic. The truth is that to achieve real results, you need solid, repeatable strategies that help your business reach new potential customers, build relationships, and guide leads toward purchasing your product or service. This is the Email Chef channel, the platform that helps you enter the world of email marketing in a simple, easy, and intuitive way. In this video, I'll explain what a funnel is, how to use it, and most importantly, why email marketing is a fundamental component of a successful funnel. What is a funnel? Imagine the journey your potential customer takes before purchasing your product or service. In marketing, this process is called the customer journey. The journey begins when someone discovers your company and continues through to the purchase, but it doesn't necessarily end with the purchase. The journey can continue over time if the customer chooses to buy again or recommend your company to others. Throughout the journey, potential customers interact with your brand through various communication channels: your website, social media, a phone call with your sales team, a newsletter, a live event, or a trade show meeting. Each of these interactions is called a touch point. The funnel is the visual representation of that journey. It includes all the touch points and the strategic marketing actions you implement to guide users toward the final goal: purchasing your product and solving their problem. The term funnel refers to the shape of a kitchen funnel. The image is simple. The top is wide because many people come into contact with your brand through ads, your website, or social media. As the journey progresses, however, the audience narrows. Only a portion of those initial contacts will be interested enough to become customers. Others will drop out, which is why the funnel tightens towards the final purchase stage. Why must the business define its funnel? Because putting your sales process down on paper allows you to clearly define your final objective. Most importantly, it lets you measure every stage of the journey. Let's look at an example. A company is very good at running ads and driving traffic to a landing page, but users aren't subscribing to the newsletter. Where does the process break down? Is the landing page unclear? Does the site have a usability issue? Is the sign-up form not visible or not working properly? Analyzing the data helps pinpoint the problem so that the company can fix it. Another case: people subscribe, open the first 2 emails, but stop opening the third message. The data raises questions. Is the subject line ineffective? Is the content irrelevant? Is the call to action unclear? Having a defined funnel means understanding where to improve in order to make the process work more effectively. As you can see, defining clear funnel stages lets you optimize every phase of the sales process. Generally, marketers identify 3 main stages. Phase 1, top of funnel, Tofu. The top of the funnel is about making your brand known and reaching potential customers who may have different levels of awareness about their problem. Example 1. Someone wants to install mosquito screens on their home windows. They search online for an installer in their area, find a company that meets their needs, fill out the landing page form, call and complete the purchase. In this case, they are already aware of the problem and are actively looking for a solution. Example 2. A tech enthusiast sees an Instagram ad for a new gadget that improves video quality. They weren't actively looking for that solution, but they realize it could be useful. They click the ad, visit the landing page, and may decide to buy it. Here, the initial awareness is lower. The need emerges because of the advertisement. Depending on the level of awareness, different touch points come into play at the top of the funnel. For those actively searching a solution, a blog article found through Google might be effective. For those not actively searching, but potentially interested, social media ads, Google ads, or even billboard advertising can work. The main goal at this stage is to turn interest into contact. That's why email marketing is essential. If you invest in advertising and driving traffic to your website without offering a way for users to leave their contact details, you're missing opportunities. Capture their contact information and you can build a relationship over time through a targeted email sequence. Phase 2, the middle of funnel, Mofu. In the middle of the funnel, your goal is to inspire people who already know you to consider your product as a possible solution. Here, building trust becomes crucial. You can send regular newsletters featuring reviews, case studies, testimonials, in-depth content, or new product launches. The objective is to demonstrate expertise and position yourself as a credible option among market alternatives. Email isn't the only channel. Social platforms can also be highly effective. Someone might discover you on Instagram, start following you, and engage with your content. By integrating social media, blog articles, live events, and newsletters, you gradually guide users towards greater trust and stronger brand connection. Phase 3, bottom of funnel, Bofu. At the bottom of the funnel, where the process narrows, you find people ready to take action. Through email marketing, you can send sales-focused messages such as limited time discounts or limited availability offers to create urgency. You can also present your latest products to long-term followers who may discover something new and exciting. Email marketing is fundamental in all 3 funnel stages, but its role doesn't end with the first purchase. After the initial sale, customers need to be nurtured to encourage repeat purchases and positive word of mouth. At this stage, email marketing still remains extremely valuable. Based on the product purchased, you can segment your list, send targeted content, promote higher-end products, or share tutorials and helpful advice. In other words, you can continue supporting the customer, helping them to get the most out of your product and presenting solutions to their problems. A satisfied and well-supported customer is far more likely to buy again, and maintaining a relationship with existing customers is much more cost-effective than constantly investing in acquiring new ones. To conclude, funnels are strategic paths that you design when you decide to advertise online and sell products or services. It's essential to clearly define the steps that bring someone closer to your brand and the purchase, and to monitor each stage to optimize performance. Email marketing is a key tool. Without it, modern funnels would struggle to function effectively. That's why we invite you to try Email Chef by signing up through the link in the description. You'll get a 30-day free trial to test all features, including automation. If you enjoy this video, leave a like and comment below, telling us about your funnel, the challenges you faced, or the success you're achieving. See you next time.